Hi, creative people. Good evening. I hope you all are good. Well, I'm here with another video. On today's video, I'm going to create a mock-up. Okay, on last video, I created a wireframe. Based on that wireframe, I'm going to create an entire mock-up. Okay, so I'm creating a series of video about the Figma. Okay, if you want to learn from the basics to advanced, then this series of video will be very helpful for you. And beside these all those things, I'm here to share my own experience, and if anyone like to connect with me, I'm happy to connect with you. Okay, so well, without a further ado, let's jump into the Figma, and then let's create a mockup. Okay, okay, here I am. So on last video I created this mockups. Okay, uh, sorry, this wireframe I created. Okay, now based on this wireframe I will create high fidelity mockups. Okay, so I just copied. Okay, so to copy it, simply what I did is I just click the name, or you can select from here, and then I press alt and left click and drag. Okay, so it will duplicate your entire artboard. And now I will delete all the these shapes and everything. Okay, so because instead of those shapes I will keep some other content, and these are not deleting because it's logged, so I'm unlocking. Okay, so right click and click on unlock so that you can delete, and again right click and unlock and delete. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can do it. So now I have a completely blank canvas. Okay, and now see, to create any kind of website we need a basic color. Okay, so for that, let's suppose I will create one unique color for my brand. Okay, for my website. So which color? Let's use this one, blue. Okay, this will be my primary color. Okay, and next I will select yeah, I will keep one, and based on that blue I will experiment with other color for now. Okay, so simply I can use black and the shade of black and white. Okay, so but for the CTA, call to action, where the content should highlight it, or where the CTA option should highlight, I will use this blue color. Okay, to give a more emphasis, but rest of the other time I will use a shade of black. Okay, so let's start with the navigation. So navigation will be, no, let's experiment with something different. Okay, so okay, obviously I have to based on this pattern also. Okay, I have to remember that because I created the wireframe. Okay, so when you are creating a wireframe, so what you have to think is, okay, so until and unless you are not like happy with the wireframe, you need to experiment with your wireframe, and then you need to jump to the high fidelity mockup. So first you have to completely satisfied with your wireframe. Until and unless you are not satisfied, just keep explore. Okay, it is called a brainstorming. So well, I'm happy with it, but I want to experiment with the navigation here. Okay, I will not experiment much, but I will make something. So first I need to enable the what do you called layout, so that I can see the guidelines, and I will keep one line for the guides. Okay, so how can I enable this guideline is just from the right side of my ruler. I can click on the ruler, and then I can drag one line, it will come, and I will place particular on this size, and up you can see there is 197 on a red color, so I will place on 200 exactly, and likewise I will keep here, so this should be 420. Yes, this is how I can keep. And now what I can do is, now I can disable my layout so that I can see the guidelines, and I can place my content here. And if you see, these guidelines are not locked. Okay, let's see whether we can lock our guidelines or not. Okay, is there any options to lock or not? So Okay, you have to experiment with your design or things. Okay, let's select. I think we don't have any options to lock right now. No. Okay. Anyway, let's start with the design. So what I do is, for the menu I will make a floating menu. For the menu's height I will keep let's say 100. Okay, I will keep 100. Okay, for the menus. And let's experiment now. No, it's floating menu, that's why I will make a corner radius, so I will select a 16. Okay, so 16, and I will go with the very less color. I don't want to give that much highlight for the this menu background. Okay, it's a background for the menu, and I will lock it. So I will lock it where it is. Here it is, lock. Okay, so I will lock it. Now here I will place one logo. For the logo I will just what I do, I will create here one logo. Okay, I'm not going to just I will make this. Okay, and okay, that's it. I just want to make something like square, and what I do is, on the fourth section I will type later. Okay, okay, I need to make it a little bit small. Okay, 25, let's say. Yeah, so a, and I will make this. Okay, this is a company logo, let's suppose. Okay, for example. Okay, so here I will keep, and I need a little bit small one, so I will reduce the size. Okay, so okay, okay, let me reduce. Okay, again, so I think I need to reduce the font size also. So up now there are a few other options, like, so we will experiment with later, but now I'm just going very manually. Okay, instead of that, let's do one thing. So I will show you, so it's easy. Instead of that, what I can do is, okay, okay, control Z. Yes, I'm coming over my actual design, and I can select entire text. And here I don't know whether you are able to see or not, we have options called create outline. Okay, so we can like do this. So now it's like, it's not the object, it's what do you called, um say. So create sorry outline is strong. Okay, now if I select, and I will make the group, and if I increase and decrease, as you can see, the font, the letter is now reducing. Before it won't happen that. So here I will put my logo, and I will name also. Okay, so I have a name, let's say a company, no, design. Okay, triple A design. No, there is a four. Okay, yeah, this is my, let's say, one design agency name. Okay, and for the font, let me experiment with the poppins. Do I have poppins? Yes, I like poppins. Okay, I hope most of the designer like poppin. And I have a variable, so I will select bold. No, I don't want to select bold. I will go with the medium, and I will make all caps. Okay, so yes, this is, but it's giving more highlight to the regular. Yeah, okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger. So, well, for me, I'm no, what I want to do is, let's me experiment. Okay, so how it looks now. Yeah, this is good, this is good for now. Okay, this is good for me. It's logo. Okay, now on the right side I will keep some other options, like we have home. Okay, uh, oh, okay, it's happening. Okay, yeah, I just press tab, so it's moved. And I don't need that was bigger font, so I will reduce my font size to 16. Okay, I need a home, and digital agency has services. Okay, after that they digital agency have projects. Okay, they have to show the project, and let's suppose they have contact us. That's all. No, 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 we need to add one more block. Okay, so okay, now at the last, contact us. Okay, now I will select these all and I will try to rearrange, okay, with the aligned. So how I will arrange? Distribute horizontal spacing so that each gap will be same on the text. Okay, so this is how I can arrange. Okay, so now see, all the text looks like same. I want to give more emphasis. For example, I'm creating a home page, so that I will highlight the home page. So how can I highlight? I can select that particular color and I will make a little bit bold. So first I will select bold. So give it, it's already highlighted, and I will change the color. No, I don't want to make it bold. I want to go with the medium. Yeah, it's different, right? We can see the change. And I will select the color. Okay, so I can select the eyedropper and then I can select. Okay, there is another way to, we can create a variable. Now I'm not introducing any variable or anything for now, just I'm giving a very basic, very basic idea to play with color. Okay, it's a manual way to play with the color. Okay, we have a different way to play with the color. I'm just giving a very complete basic idea, and I will put one underline so that we can see the highlight, and this actually is like showing, or we can user can understand where we are. So again I will select with the color, or if you can able to remember, then you can remember this code also. Well, so well, this is our menu. Okay, so now I want to add some effect on these. First let me unlock the background. I want to add effect, a blurry effect. So I want to make things like a little bit pops out. Okay, I want to give a little bit depth of field on that background. So how can I do? I unlocked my background layer and I'm selecting here. You can see effects. Okay, so what you have to know is most of the option, most of the control panels are on the right side of your Figma. So everything, whatever you want, you will get. Okay, you don't have to panic or like worry about anything. So here there is an effect. If you click on plus, and it will give you a one line. So here we have a drop shadow. Beside drop shadow we have inner shadow, layer, blur, and background layer. But now currently I need a drop shadow. It's already, we can see the very subtle, okay, pops with the color, but I don't want that much dark. I want to experiment. Let's say let's experiment with, I want to give more blurriness. We'll go with the 16. Let's see how it looks. Okay, and I want to reduce the opacity a little more. Yeah, and let me give a y-axis, means I'm keeping a little bit down. Okay, and I don't want to give that black. Okay, can I change? But at least I need to give the black. Okay, darker, otherwise it won't be able to see. I don't want to give that much, but I need to give okay, let me select again. Okay, so I think I need to reduce the blur. Let me reduce. No, 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 it won't be happen. But first, okay, this is the way to play around. Okay, the x and y axis is the position, and blur is the how much that you want to give, and spread, how much you want to spread. Okay, so this is how you can spread. I don't want, like, I want to give it a minus, so that once I started blurring, then it will give a very subtle, finest, okay, blur. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I will make it a little bit lower, and I want to like add some position on y-axis. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm completely happy with this design right now. Yeah, I'm happy. So now it's time to put one image. Okay, so here, oh sorry, so I wanted to drag that box, so it's okay. I don't want to take. I will take another rectangle box from the menu, and then I will drag here. And I know my entire size is 440, and I will give the height to 1080. And now I can see my menu. So what I do is, what happen is, actually the rectangle is always on a top side. Whenever you create a new layer, it will come on a top. So what you have to do, you have to bring to the back. So I will select control or command shift, and then left side of the brushes, and it will go back, and you can see the menu. So beside that, I want to group it together. Okay, I just want to group all the menus together. So whenever if I want to move, then I don't want to move only background or only text. Just I want to keep like organized way. I want to keep the things in an organized way. So I can select all the layers, okay, that is related with the menu navigation, and I can press a Control Z, or I can simply right click, and it's already grouped. No man, a group selection here. Now it's grouped. See, isn't it? Okay, and then I will name it. Here you can see the, what is this? Okay, I don't know. First let me do minimize. Okay, here I am, and this is the group 4, and actually it is navigation, right? So what I do is, I will rename it main navigation. Okay, this is how we can play with. And this is the hero section, and for the hero sections I will go with the top. Okay, so on this what do you call it, hero section, what I do, I will use one photo. Okay, let's go to the Googles. Okay, and let's find one image. Okay, collect the assets. So let's say background, yeah, landscape, simply landscape. Okay, well, I will select. So see, my menu is like floating menu. Okay, it will hide some of the natural things. So I don't want something that has element in the top of the section. So I just want something that is a little bit lower in the portion. So for example, there is a blank space, right? Or just below that we can see the natural element. Okay, so this kind of image I want. But see, what is actually my primary color? It's blue, right? So the image is, oh, I'm so sorry about that, my image is not a blue, in not in a blue color. That's why I will go with some like this kind of color, okay, to like match the brand. Oh yeah, I like it, I like it, I like it, this one. I want something a little bit symmetric. Okay, so how it is, yeah, it's cool. So I will use this image. Okay, I think it's from the on splash. Okay, it's only for the educational purpose. That's why I'm not doing anything. Okay, okay, so what I do, I just copy it and I will paste it here. So, and I will make it bigger. So now there is one issue. If I make something bigger, then this will be a little bit stretched, and photo won't be good, it won't look good. Now I need to stretch it. Okay, it will automatically adjust the width and height as accordingly. Okay, and I know I don't need that rectangle. Actually, I will delete that rectangle, right click, and where is remove, where is remove, or delete, or anything? No, do I need to go with the keyboard? So I can press the delete, I deleted, and let me put the behind. Well, isn't it beauty? Okay, let me zoom. See, as you can see, it's blurred. Okay, like image is not that much clear. So I want to give a little bit opacity so that at least I can see the behind the scenario also. Okay, I don't want that much. Okay, let me add some screen. Yeah, okay, I'm blending option, I'm adding some blending option, and then I will experiment with the so that it can blend with the your hero image. Okay, so whenever you are creating, let's say a front-end designer also can create, and if you are yourself a front-end designer, and obviously you can apply the opacity and the blend mode in CSS, okay, and you can yeah, it's blending, as you can see. Like, you can see the blend option. So before it was completely white, okay, or a grayish kind of, but here we can see the bluish version of that color. Okay, no, what happened here? Okay, yeah, 70. Let me reduce more. Yes. Is there any other way to experiment? Let's explore. Luminous, right? Multiply, no. Normal, no. Lighting. Which one is more bright? This screen is more bright. Okay. Oh, this one is more bright, but no. I'll go with the screen. Screen is good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So, so now let's preview it. Let's see how it looks. So I can select on here, or I can select from here, and then there will be a two different present. So first I will click on like default, okay, or you can press Control or Command Alt and Enter. So I will just click on that, and it will open in a new window. So I wanted to show another way also. Okay, it's coming. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's mistake. What I did. I need a different screen. Maybe on a prototype, if I select which screen I select, scrolling. Did you select iPhone? No. Why this happened? Design. Okay, let me select the frame. Why it happened? I don't know. I'm also confused. Okay. Do you have any other options to change from here? Not exactly. Now I don't need that mock-up right now, because it's giving a confusion to like view the entire screen. I just want to uh, see my screen. So what I do is okay, I will select something desktop, but I don't want anything selection. Okay, simply okay, let's go with this, and let's check it. Okay, let's check how it will. I don't know why it's taking time. Anyway, so this is my first screen. Okay, still, what is happening? I don't. Come on, why you giving me such panic to me? Okay, I will select this, and I will go with this frame, but I don't need anything. MacBook Pro. This is a different. Yeah, I know. Okay. So the prototype setting. Oh, here we can change. I don't need iPhone. Come on, I don't need nothing right now. Okay. Sometimes it gives like some terrible. So how can we change? So first we don't have like don't select any kind of layouts, and then go to the prototype, and you can choose any device if you want. But right now I don't want any device. Okay, so now I can select. Okay, let me see, is there anything? Obviously no. Again, okay, now I will click on a present. Now it will show on a like full mode. Now we need to go to the next phase. Again, what is this? What is this? Huh? Where is my, did I delete? No. What happened this? Oh, I think no. There is selection frame. Hmm. I need to make the frame. Okay. Now again. Yes. This is what I am. Now this is how it looks once you finalize your design. So on the left side of your screen, there will be a completely, no, no, it's not a black. Okay. So let me give a full fit width. No, full screen. Oh, actual size. Yeah, this is the actual size. Why it's like my screen is a little bit bigger, that is why. But there won't be a black, there will be a completely white as per the browser. Okay, so this is how like we can start creating mockups. So I will stop here on today's. Okay, I will continue like some other portion, not a portion or a part section. So entire sections, slowly we will create mockups, and we will know how to create a mockups. Okay, start with the basic, and we will move into the advanced level. So it's just a very simple, like creating a design. It's not creating a very complex design. It's just you need to create a very simple and intuitive, and the design has a very easy user flow. Okay, people like things that are very easy. Okay, so we need to understand that things. Anyway, thank you for your time. Okay, well, yeah, that's all for this video. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you get the idea of how to create, how to start, and how to create a high fidelity markup based on your low fidelity wireframing or low fidelity mockups. Okay, so on this video, I just give you a very basic information, basic idea to start with. Okay, I'm focusing for the absolute beginner audience or absolute beginner user about the Figma, so that I'm not creating a complex design. Okay, Figma has lots of features. Okay, it's just like it is not just a designing or creating or placing image and text. Like it's not. Okay, there are so many things that we need to understand, we need to learn. Okay, so uh, to move towards the advance, first we need to know the basics. Okay, so this is how we are going to learn throughout all the journey. So well, I see you in the next video. Till then, be creative, be logical, be kind, love and respect to each and every human being. Beside that, love and protect the mother nature earth, and be humble to everyone. Okay, so bye, see you in the next video.